Hey guys, welcome to another Ready Yeti First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out Estwing. Estwing is a tool manufacturer that specializes in striking tools like hammers and axes. Their tools are 100% American made, and they're actually located about 90 miles north of Chicago in Illinois. They have a ton of different tool options, especially some specializing for outdoor use, but today specifically we're going to be focusing on their camper axe and their machete. The camper's axe is one of the most versatile tools that Estwing has to offer in terms of outdoor use. It is your standard hand axe that's perfect for splitting wood. It's made from solid American steel, hand sharpened, about 15 inches in length, and it has a 3.5 inch edge. It has a shock reduction grip, and it also happens to come with a nylon sheath. Safety first. Estwing's machete is also another incredibly versatile tool for any camper or hiker. It's the perfect option for maintaining trails, clearing brush. The machete is also hand sharpened American steel. It has a 10 3/4 inch edge and is sitting at 19 1/4 inches in length. It also is outfitted with a shock reduction grip, and it comes with a nylon sheath. Estwing is a brand that's been around for almost 100 years, so if that doesn't say something about their tools, I don't know what else will. They are tried and true and American made, and if you are looking for something simple to help start your outdoor tool collection, I would definitely recommend checking out Estwing. They have some incredibly well-made tools, especially for outdoorsy folk, on top of construction tools if you're looking for that. That's it for our first look of Estwing's camper axe and machete. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video, and subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with the latest and greatest first looks. That's it for now, and stay tuned for another Ready Yeti First Look coming at you next week.